Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel, and you can see I am in the Apple website, and this is the fire and water watch face for the Apple Watch. And now the watch face is available for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch, and this is an animated watch face, and you can see how beautiful the watch face looks on this watch. Make sure you are watching the video till the end, as I am going to show you 3 more watch faces which are absolutely beautiful and looks amazing on the Amazfit GTS 3, and they can be the best watch faces you can get for this smartwatch. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to says, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. You can see how good the animated watch face looks, which is the fire and water watch face, and these watch faces are recently added on the Amazfit app for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So there are not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 animated watch faces which will absolutely blow your mind, and the Amazfit GTS 3 can be the best smartwatch if you are considering it for the customization options, because the animated watch faces are not available in any of the smartwatches of Amazfit. In there, it is available on the Amazfit GTS 3. So let's first see how you can download these watch faces, as the Amazfit app has been changed and updated a lot. You can see the logo has been changed and is of a different color here. So in here, the process is same of downloading the watch face. What you need to do is you need to just select the watch for which you want to download the watch faces. So here you can see the watch face which you want to download is for the Amazfit GTS 3. So here you have to select this one, and you can see all the GTS smartwatches will be displayed with their model names. So first of all, you need to come to the settings option, and here you have to give the MAC address, which is the media access control address, and this MAC address you have to give to download the watch faces for the Amazfit GTS 3. And to get the MAC address, you obviously need to come to the settings option. So to come to settings option, you have to just click the crown, and you can see the settings option is here, and you have to just scroll down and come to system about, and here you can see the MAC address will be available. So I have already put the MAC address which is written here, so I will click on OK, and I will come to the back option. Here I have to select the GTS 3 series smartwatch, and once I select, I will be getting a lot of watch faces, but I have to scroll down and select the animated watch face, which is the fire and water watch face. So you have to scroll down, click on next, and here you will be getting the watch face, which is the fire and water watch face. So this watch face is designed by Don Yor, who is a really good designer and designs a lot of watch faces for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch, and it is available with the name Fire Animated. So here what you need to do is you need to just click on the download button, and in the download button you have to again select the Fire 3, and once you select, you have to connect. So for connecting, make sure you have installed the Zap app and synced the watch first with the Zap app. So here you can see that it is updating the GPS, and it can take some time to connect, and once connected, you will be coming to the Amazfit app again, and here you can see that you have to click on the connect option. So once you click on connect, it will ask for a confirmation that the Amazfit GTS 3 model is compatible with the GTS 3 dial version. You have to click on continue without thinking too much, and here the connected option will be visible. So once you are seeing the connected option here, you have to just click on set on watch. So once you click on set on watch, you have to again click on continue, and the watch face will be installed. So these are one of the heaviest watch face you can install for the Amazfit GTS 3. You can see the file size is 9.53 MB. That means a big file size will be transferring on the Bluetooth. All the Amazfit GTS 3 is really fast in Bluetooth transfer or watch face installation. It can take some real good time if you are installing this watch face. So here you can see it is transferring the watch face, and once it is fully transferred, the watch face will be installed on your watch. So this is one of my favorite watch faces right now. As you can see, the colors really pop out on the AMOLED display in the watch, and you will be mesmerized by the animation which is used here. It is really good. So whenever you will be just clicking on the crown or raising the watch, the animation will be there, and it is one of the best looking watch faces you can get. So definitely I will recommend you to install. So now let's see the other watch faces also. The next watch face is the water animated watch face, and this is also one of the best looking watch faces. So all the watch faces also comes with a very good always on display, and this watch face animation is also really good because of the black background. I like this watch face a lot, and the animation used in here is like this. So whenever you will be clicking the crown, you can see the water splash effect will be there on the watch for the watch face, and it looks really good because of the colors used in also here. So let's see the always on display used in here. So if I just click on all day, you can see that the always on display will be the same as the analog watch hands used in here. So this is the always on display, and whenever you will be waking your watch, deep water splash effect will be there, which looks absolutely amazing on this Amazfit GTS 3. So this is also an Apple watch face, and you can see the animation is really good in here. So let's see the full animation of the watch face. So whenever you will be waking the watch, the animation is almost one of the best animation you will be getting in any watch face, in any smartwatch. Even the default watch faces doesn't have this kind of really good looking animation in there. And this is one of the best looking watch face you can say because of the vapor effect used in here. And the always on display is simple one, but really important one, because always on displays are really important. If there is no always on display, it will be really hard to see the time, and it just blends with the watch face also. So let's see the animation again. So you can see one of the best looking animation you will be getting in any of the watch faces. So definitely the same way you can install from the Amazfit app. The three files are really one after another, which are the animated watch faces. So this one is the vapor watch face, vapor animated, and definitely these are designed by the same person who is Donier. So the moon watch face is also an animated watch face, and you can see the moon will be rotating all the time with an animation used in there, and it is really good looking and will really look good on the watch if you set this watch face. And definitely this also comes with an always on display. So the always on display is a basic one, and this also you will be getting from the Amazfit app. The name will be Moon Animated, designed by Donier again. So these are the animated watch faces which you can install right now for this Amazfit GTS 3, which will absolutely blow your mind. So I just wanted to show you all the animated watch faces which are really good looking for the Amazfit GTS 3 and how to install them. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.